My name is Stephen Scott. I'm the site manager of Alfarn, Rockdale, stage 2. The project is split between A and B. Building B is basically up to the transfer slab. We poured half the transfer slab. The other half of the transfer slab, which is approximately another 450 cubic metres of concrete, gets poured very soon, within the next week or so. The excavation in the project goes down 5 levels, down to B5, approximately 20 metres underground, solid rock from surface all the way down. At this stage we've poured around 4,000 cubic metres of concrete and around about the 700 tonne of steel. Okay, the next steps is basically once we finish pouring that transfer slab on building B, we've got some precast panels on a couple of exterior faces, scaffold, and then once again we start up to the next mini transfer slab, which is on level 1. Then we've got typical slabs going all the way to the roof. The ground floor transfer slab on building B and A, that's basically the guts of the work. That's probably the majority of the concrete and the reinforcement for the project. Once we get past the ground floor slab, from that point on it's pretty well straight up. Also, once we get past the ground floor transfer, we strip out the lower basements and we start to fit out in the lower basements. And the lower basements consist of storage cages, car parking, and main infrastructure. Yeah, after the main structure is complete, the main section that we'll be tackling is the civil works and the public domain. That consists of a mall going from Lister Street corner, all the way to the top of Chapel Street. There's park seating, benching, garden beds, and fully paved top to bottom. Okay, so it's all public domain for relaxation. Yeah, we're currently on track for project completion June 2022.